Well, I may not be painting today. We had a huge windstorm last night. And of course the lawn needs raking again, but that's not my problem today. Oh my God. See that big old branch back there? It went through the neighbor's fence. I can't even figure out which tree it came off of. Because it would have to really fly high over to come off the big tree over there, and not get any of the electrical wires. And all my trees are flimsy, so I can't even figure out which tree it came from. Very strange. So I gotta find a way to contact my son, who I can never contact, to try to get the chainsaw out and get rid of it. So the good thing is, though, look, because I got up on that roof, overcame that fear, the windstorm blew off all that mold and stuff, or not the mold, all of the moss. So I see a roof shingle though. Ugh, that's not good. Wonder where that came from. Damn it. Anyway, I don't know where that branch came from, because the other trees are pretty trimmed. I just have no clue. So anyway, that's what I'll be doing today. Pretty bad.